Mike V here, hitting bids aggressively. And they just drop fast. What is on topic? I just had a $20,000 hit. Okay, let's go. All right, couple of things. Let me see. Am I on? Okay. I'm going to take my face off after when we do charts. But you know what? There's always another trade. Okay, a couple of things. Okay, first of all, with TradeGateHub, good morning, signing in. Always scroll up. All right. There's like 2 or 3 days of data that's there about all conversation, never deleted. Why would something be deleted? All right. Scroll up. There are high level things we talk about here. Also, the second best thing should be going through this is our library. All right. Every single day, 2 videos. All right. I can try to consider this somewhat like a med school. Q-U-R-E. Q-U-R-E. You got this, Sherry, don't you? Nice. Taking calls. All right. TradeGateHub. All right. I'm not comparing myself to a doctor by any means. Believe me, there are people that, that sew capillaries together with the help of a robot. Outside of me telling you where you can get a 5-second delay on a 30-second scanner. I get it. All right. But we do two videos a day with between Coach and I, 70 years experience. All right. This is a med school after all this time. All right. We give you the tools, the basic tools. I'm a general practitioner. All right. We give you the white coat options. We give you the stethoscope volume. We give you the thing to take the blood pressure trend. All right. It's up to you if you want to become a cardiologist. Coach is the cardiologist. All right. He's called Coach. Isn't like the head of the hospital always a cardiologist? That or a brain surgeon. And I'm not going to give Coach the credit of being a brain surgeon. As silver rips. Still. All right. I'm a general practitioner. DSR. Guy sounds like he's a freaking ophthalmologist. Orthopedist. J Norm, this is his second career. Did something modest before, and he's probably a dentist. No problem. Still a doctor, man. And by the way, finishing strong. And I talk to you, with you, J Norm. All right. Watch the videos right there. Coach multiple a day. All right, I have some other things. Okay, is Mike done pontificating? Did I offend enough people? And by the way, finishing Dr. V, I'm no doctor. You know what my nickname was? The Senator. Because I could always talk my way in. I'm serious. Hey, Mike, they're in Spanish for me. You're Spanish, Sherry? You got to work on that. Hold on. Let's look at stocks that happened the past week. Okay. USAR, Rare Earth, continuing to go. All these stocks. QURE. That's going to go on the late list. Late. Although you don't want to be wrong on that bio. Now, appreciate that. Thank you, Gino. And I'm not placating. All right, Microsoft. It's up to $12 today, although it came into resistance. All right, does that mean it's over? I'm not sure. Big move. BGL, we gave it to you in the room. This one's not over. Oh, Alt. Why did that go up like that? the ones on the website. Email me after, Sherry. TMC, day delay, range, UNG, it's freezing. I got to get into better flow here. All right. You know what I'm going to do? Wisdom Wellness, med school. Oh, Sherry, a doc. Oh, no. That's what happens on an OPEX, Jay Norm, when these start. That's what happens. All right, there's a lot of speculation in OPEX. Alt. You know what alt was? Alt was algo driven. It was driven. That was algo driven. Did I see that right? NBY 477. There you go. You want NBY? Now you want, this is, okay. I don't care if it's a gold, whatever it is. You want to take a stab now. Once it broke the 5, it stopped everybody out, the 5 whole number. NBY. There's that previous high right here. Where's that? 438? No, where's the high? The high in the close. 444. There's the 50-day. Lets everybody stop them out on the 50-day, on the daily, on NBY, and then you bid below, like 448. That's an entry point. And there's the weekly. The 50-day is only $1.90, so you're okay there. I'll have to take my face off. All right. You know what? I'll put a bid in for NBY. I'll bid in for that. What am I going to make in it? You know, this NBY is not going to pop up. You know, it's not. Better trades. I'm in listen, I'm in SLV short. I'll show my screen afterwards. Now, here as they come. This is what the boys are buying. You want to talk about what they're buying with calls and everything like that? Forget my opinion. GLXY. Okay? That's the one they like. Let's get down to business. GLXY. FIGR. NXT. Ugh, things are heavy here. Intel. There's another dry eye in the house. Stairs up, elevator down. I bought it today. And you know, by the way, this stock is exploding with calls. This is, okay, med school. Hold on a second. Med school. You might know it. And believe me, it's got it in it. What's that? You already know it, right? I don't have to tell you. Cleveland. And I'm not talking about the old Cleveland Indians. And it says there's weekly. Well, there's the weekly resistance right there. But you know your plan. The market's getting it here. I can feel it. Yeah, I get it. Look at this thing. M's. Silver. Johnny Campo. Tesla. APLD. I'm now down in. All right, another one. Here, I'll show the screen. Here it is. Where are we? Okay, this stock. I bought a baby stock. It's taking calls. J Norm. You want a stock to work? Calls. A cheapie. A Jesus one. SID. SID. Now, if that was an AI stock, would you buy it? Yeah. If that was an oil stock, would you buy it? Yeah. If that was the VIX, would you be? Yeah. SID, taking calls. And by the way, there's SID. SID Steel. It's got the right name in it. It's not even isotope. It's steel. There it is. I'll take a chance in SID Weekly. There's SID. I've done worse. SID. Jesus came up with it, not me. Don't argue with Jesus. You know how he is? He's better with the cheaper stocks. Yeah, the news is out. Yeah. All right. And by the way, this guy's a sharp guy. Next 16 days will forecast to be coldest. I got you. All right, it's going to be cold. We all know. By the way, it is interesting. Jay Norm, I feel it's going to work. I feel it's going to work. And it's got the price spread out nicely. By the way, IPO Dave, you want an IPO guy? I'm serious. He calls himself IPO Dave and he's good at it. Follow him. Very good. There's the Coors calls. Jay Norm, I've been telling you about. Silver hits 100, and some experts now say it's just the beginning. Everybody's in the pool. An excellent small cap, small float trader, Hodor. Excellent. Excellent. Followed by all the boys. We've all followed. We've all followed by all the boys. He likes, look at this. There's an example of guts. Doesn't look bad. I'd rather make some money instead of being punched in the guts. There it is. Technically looks nice. Could do better. It's above all the moving averages. Everyone is curling up, has some volume. It's got the flip. All right. Guts. Wolf. I told you for days it's been taking calls. What does the K-Man say? Oh, I meant to say this one. Let's talk about stocks that have been taking calls. Don't let it get by you. Mean reversion, especially China. JD, you see this percolating. Inside day after a nice 2-day move with volume, reclaiming 3 major moving averages. I know it's not Baba or Baidu, but in this school of TradeGateHub, with trend, arguable, volume, it's there, options are there, sentiment, you know. You know. Now, what is it? Like 3 freaking 40 or something. 314. See what the close is about. You know what I mean? Just remember, the goal always sticks out with the coach. All right. You can probably lose it or get into a bad position, whether you get a good position this far into the week, especially what's going on. All right. Beware of what you're buying. Think another second. I'm just as guilty as everybody. Look what we do here. Rig. How'd that work out? Yeah, look at rig. Yeah, there you go. $5 strike price on rig. Calls worked. See that day delay? Just the delay. You know what that's going to be? You know what this is going to be? It's going to be JD. I don't move, day delay, and move up. Gilead. How you doing on Gilead? Things are doing good? Yeah, we're fine. Oh, I bought Teva yesterday and sold it. Teva. You know what? Ooh, I don't like that. EMPH. Listen, what was it up yesterday? 20, 40, 30 to 20, 30%? All right, so it didn't double again. Still popped nicely. It worked. EMPH. Stock closed above the moving average. It's in the hot sector. All right, where to close? 40.38. Got the 42.61. You paid your $1, but it was a clean trade. All right, depends. Listen, like I said, depends at school. I'm here to bring you the ideas, whatever style you are. You know. Thank you, Coach. Appreciate that. The freaking teammate. And also, man who wants to learn. Always a student, coaches. And no ego. Freaking great combination. Putting myself back on here. All right, let's go to some calls. Was this silver? The whole world's in silver. Silver, a double niner. Hi. I've been taking calls for a while now. You know that? You know that, guys, everyone? I'll take myself off the screen even for cheap. I'm trading cheap stocks all of a sudden. I'll tell you, it's been having calls for a while. Hive. HIVE. DJT worked. Should have worked for more, though. HIVE. What is this? VIXM calls. Some guy's getting fancy. What the hell is a VIXM? Midterm futures ETF. They're trading the futures. All right, Tesla, an issue. All right, now. What's happening now? VIXM bullish. This VIXM's coming up. Tesla. Breakout. Now it's holding. It looked like it wanted to explode right through the flag, cup and handle, whatever you want. Now what? What happened to Etsy, Sherry? Come on, Etsy, be up here. Oh, no, Etsy. Oh, that hurts. Trust me, I've been there. I've been there. I've been there on Etsy. Apple's down 8 straight weeks. I bought Apple today nicely. I think I did. Is that today? I'm like getting it. AAPU is the symbol. There's Mike V. The computer. Buying AAPU, the Apple. See this right here? You see this, right? Clinking away like an 27. Last I'm paying is 27.29. I'm punting. I still have some. Apple 8 straight weeks. There's not a dry eye in the house. Yeah, I know retail's guy. You know what? These retails out of nowhere rolled over. Everybody's trying to pick the top on AEO when it was running up, and there you go. Now nobody wants to know when it's going down. That's what happens. It's a sick game. Same with Macy's. Not Gap stores, though. #1 retailer. Where's Ralph? For me, Ralph runs the proxy. PVH. There's PVH. Philippine using. Double bottom. What's the other one? Oh, SFM. All right, let's go live. All right, now, always trust the data. Not that I don't even if I trust me. I'm not even in it. I'm always usually mixed in the market. So that's not I don't push anything. It's not it would be irresponsible. But there's the public Jesus feed, VIXM. Whatever that means. Silver. Yeah. Excellent. Yeah. This is what they're doing into the close. It says it all. Okay, Oxy, oil, Vixum, it's defensive, Oxy, Rig, oil, XLE, oil, silver, self-explanatory, puff, puff, pass, more silver. Some guy says, I'm going to pay up till 2028. Some guy says, I don't care where. This is what guys, this is how insane it is. Silver. What the hell's going on here? Puff, puff, pass, parabolic. British tobacco, I'll look loose. Look at puff, puff, pass. Some guy says, I'm paying up till 2028. And he's putting $1 million into silver. And even though it's, look what it's done, he believes that he's going to get paid in years. All right. That's incredible. That's incredible. More of this VIX action. AGQ, there it is. Heisenberg's in it. What does Heisey say? Yeah, at some point, yeah, hop in. Water's warm there, buddy boy. Don't worry about it. Stay tuned. I'll show you. You know what where my position is? INDO. J-Norm. Were you in this one? I think you were in this one. Ooh, this is good. Hodor. Looks good. Somebody was in that one. I think J-Norm. British tobacco. Wow, it does look good. Go to American tobacco. Mo. That looks good too. British tobacco. I couldn't argue with it. I didn't even want to take it. Not bad, Lewis. Nice work. Wow, look at this British tobacco. This is interesting. You know what? I'm going to buy some for the fun. Oxy taking calls. British tobacco. There. It's probably going to, at least they'll get to the 65 strike, 60 strike price. I'll buy 4,000 at the market in the fund. There we go. Cliff. All right, I got to go. Any questions? You're in Indo. Indo looks good. It's great. Here's the weekly on Indo. I'll tell you a stock that hurt me. And I have a lot of it, and I added, not a lot of it. I have a lot of it because I'm down in it. It's one of the few stocks that actually had calls that didn't work. And I think it's more of a product of Intel. Every other one worked. ASPI, ASTI. Feel this one. I don't want, you know what? I gotta look. Okay, first of all, let's look at Intel. All right, 45 strike price. Intel ain't going anywhere. That's going to stay right there. If it didn't hit anything now, this one. Oh, suck it up. Oh my God, this is horrible. NVTS. Look at this. NVTS. There's another one I'm down in now. I have a lot of it. Camps. This stock, taking a lot of calls. And I like it. Camps. It's got it in it. Compass Pathways. NTR. Parabolic. Actually, that's not parabolic. BNAI. This one has a chance of being the closing weekend low floater to go up. This one right here. BNAI. There's the daily. BNAI. I get it, Tyson. I get it. This stock. This is a stock to buy. You want to buy food stock? UNFI. Speaking of food stocks, you bringing up Tyson? Okay, see the gapper? It's got it in it. Always gaps. That's the one to buy right there, UNFI. NVTS, I had a feeling too. Sid Farkas. Look at Sid Farkas. Oh my God. You know who Sid Farkas is, don't you? I can't believe I got Sid. I could say Sid Farkas all over the weekend. Weekly, SID. Oh, SID. Sid. 250 incoming. UNFI, Gene. That's the one you want to buy. Sherry, are you there? Shopify, wasn't that our plan? To wait to the 200 day and do the bounce, which it did. It actually bounced nicely. Tough trade. JD. You got to get in. $4,000 JD. Right near the 30 strike price. I'll starter. Boom. I don't. Buy more camps. You fund. Yeah. NBY, it didn't print. Let's look at the down list. The generic one. Percent losers. I only want stocks that have stocks that at least have. Let's look at a million, just so we can look at some low floaters. Intel warrants crushed. BTGO. This was a hot IPO yesterday. All these guys liked. You know that? See this BTGO? Look at this thing. I didn't see this. This came public yesterday. Bitco Holdings. The high yesterday was 24. It's 14. They got bagged in this thing bad, man. This BTGO. Ava. You know, things like the amazing the stock did this. This was a beautiful play. 1, 2, 3, 7 trading days ago. Broke the 200 day, and now you're waiting to a gap and you're in trouble. NVTS. What am I going to do here? I'm down freaking 20,000. What a putz. A piker. I'm pissed. LPTH. Remember those handful of stocks that I was posting like a week ago? They all went together. LPTH was one of them. What was the other one you know of? SKYT. That's correct. Same thing. They all go together. I'm not buying a Chile ATF, Lewis. Uh-oh. Abandoned ship. Tesla, can it hold? UNH breaking high into the close. UNH breaking high into the close. Meta taking calls into the close. Microsoft, Meta into the close. They're buying the big daddies. NVTS is a bad trade. I let this go. I'm trying to get out this morning too. Now, let's be practical. If I didn't own NVTS, which was exploding yesterday in the close with calls, would I buy it here at the 10 strike price? Yes, I would. CNC. Yep, great chair. QURE. QURE. Microsoft calls. I fucked up this close. I'm not blinking. I'm down. Why did I shut down here? Oh. All right, I'll leave it there. CRDO sharing. Yeah, that's not good. Listen, that's the way it is. Could have Colgate up 5 and Clorox down 5. MBY 471. JD QURE. I like that BTI. BTGO. This thing came public yesterday. Look at this. UNH. J&J. Sid Farkas. Silver. ARBE, I'm breaking a big rule, building a position in a dollar stock. I'll leave it there, okay? JB. Oh my God, Sid Farkas. ASPI, very good. This ASPI stops people out. See this? This is bullish. When you drop like that, you stop longs out and you come right back. ASPI, long-term chart. All right, this is what you want. All right, I don't know if it's going to work or not. Get everything that we, okay? Calls, volume, range today above all the moving averages, closing well. There's the weekly. You want it to close above the weekly, which is like 807. That's what you want, ASPI. It's even got the word isotope in it. It's Ben Campbell's soup. All right. Bro. All right, cheers. We'll do better next week. Coach, thanks for leading by example. Jose, where are you?
Yes, sir. Have a great day.
Jose's like the nurse practitioner. He's not quite there, but he's pretty good at taking your pulse and stuff. Have a good weekend.